Alright, coming along with this block repair. See all the tools I had to bring up from the factory. I didn't take a in-process view. I was trying to get this thing done so I can sand it down and put on a second coat tomorrow. And we drilled both holes to relieve the crack. That wasn't too bad. This plug is shot, and I don't want to risk cracking this. Try to drill that, put an easy out to get that plug out. So kind of worked around. I got the coolant level below the crack, using air pressure to blow it. So I stopped the coolant flow long enough to get the JB Weld High Heat, high strength. It's a putty type epoxy. It cut you off a chunk, knead it till it's a uniform color, and pack it in. On using this stuff or any kind of epoxy to bonding the metal, the metal's got to be pristine clean. There can be no contaminant on the metal at all, or it will not stick. So to get to that point, wire wheel, 3M sander, brake clean, non-foaming. This is trichloroethylene, by the way. Air to blow it, clean blue towels to wipe and clean. Keep your hands clean when you touch it. Keep your hands clean when you're working the putty. Like I said, first coat's on tonight. Tomorrow I'll go back and sand it down, clean up the edges, make sure everything's clean again, get rid of any dust contaminant, and go back and do a second coat, probably call it done. So I think when I get done with this, it will be a 100% successful repair. I don't see any issues so far. If you don't see anything wrong on the first coat, your second coat's going to be just fine. So I think that's all for this one. Thank you.